Hey, Jason Knott with CE Pro TV here, and we're spending a few minutes with Matt Saylor, CEO of IC Realtime, makers of high-quality video surveillance equipment. Welcome, Matt.
Thank you very much, Jason. Pleasure to be here.
Last year, IC Realtime was named as the preferred vendor for half of the CE Pro 100. Why do you think IC Realtime is doing such a high penetration rate amongst that group?
There's a variety of reasons that I think equal that. One, and probably foremost, is the support that we deliver to our dealers. It's truly unparalleled in the industry. We try to listen to their needs and truly react upon them. Something that's a key driver to that factor, I would say, would be our integration suite with all other products within their world, especially in the home automation world. We play very well together with different products. And that integration suite that we've tried so hard to be the best at, thankfully, has come to fruition and gained us the accolade of being #1 for 2 consecutive years in your publication.
Well, it's definitely showing forth in the penetration number, which was half of the audience, or half of that CE Pro 100 group. You also recently just talked about how you guys as a company are embracing UL 2802, the video camera standard. Tell me why that's important for integrators.
This is something that I think has been in need for some time. In our industry, there's truly no sounding board or barometer to test the equipment, or should I say the statements from the manufacturers in reference to the technical data that they provide. So when UL came out with this standard, it was really music to my ears, because for a long time we've been selling the highest end chipsets, the best resolution, the best DSPs out there, and too often you have a lot of manufacturers, unfortunately for all of us, including your readers and our listeners, that are really getting misguided by false claims and false spectral data. So the UL standard is going to be key in the fact of really separating higher end companies that are truly delivering you the chipsets that they claim, in comparison to the lower end companies who are really just selling you what you want to hear and not giving you the technology behind it.
And when do you think you're going to have cameras that are out with that approval from UL?
We right now have 6 analog cameras that have gone through the standard UL testing, which is more for fire and life safety. We've just submitted our entire IP megapixel line, which is about 12 cameras, for both standards of the UL safety as well as the 2802. We're hoping for the next 60 days to have a good majority of our IP and megapixel camera line certified with UL in both of their certifications.
All right, Matt, thank you very much for spending some time with us today.
My pleasure. Thank you so much, Jason. Pleasure to be here.